Okay, you guys, so today I am going to be reviewing some hair from Eayon Hair. Here is the box that the hair comes in. I love the packaging from Eayon Hair. I have worked with them and they always have this really cute pink marble packaging, you guys, and I'm obsessed with it. I also wanted to mention that this package was shipped to me via DHL, so if anybody was wondering, they do ship via DHL. Inside of your package, you do get this Instagram card just so you can follow them on social media. You also get a complimentary wig cap with your order, which is always great because who doesn't need a free wig cap, sis? I don't really know what this is. They also give you some elastic as well, so that's always great. So here is the unit. It's inside of this bag. I'm just gonna go ahead and take that out. So this is a really short unit. It is a 13x6 unit and it is 8 inches. So it's 8 inches long and it's 13x6, so that means it's like a really deep part. So this is gonna be basically like a short haircut on me. Like, girl, I'm about to get my Kris Jenner on. So they do have a part in it. I guess the part is supposed to be on this side. And then this is the bangs. It does seem to be layered as well. Actually it's definitely layered, so that's great. When you curl it up, it's gonna look great. Yes, honey, this is our bob for today, girl. Ew. Okay, you guys, so here is our unit, looking nice, cute, and short, honey. It has a little volume in the bang area, so we don't want to take the volume out of this part. If anything, I'm just gonna kind of flip the hair over so that it lays a certain kind of way, but I don't really want to lose the volume that's in here. So I'm mainly just going to focus on this side right now because you do want your side to be pretty flat, which it is so far, but we just want to make sure it stays that way and that the hair does go in a certain direction, because I do want this hair to kind of go backwards because I am going to end up tucking it a little bit behind my ear. So I have my hot comb that has been preheating. Let me check in. Okay, so it is warm, but it's not hot enough yet. In the meantime, I'm just gonna put some heat protectant on the hair. This is the Beyond the Zone Turn Up the Heat Spray. You guys probably see this a lot on YouTube. I was first introduced to this product. I wanna say I found out about this product a couple years back while watching YouTube, and there was a specific YouTuber by the name of Malibu Dollface. I think that's what he still goes by, because I know he changed his name at one point, but Malibu, he's the one that pretty much put me onto this product, and I've been using it for years ever since. I haven't changed it, although I have been considering trying other hair products out and seeing how that works for me. So this is what our hair is currently looking like. As you guys can see, the hair does now have a nice shine to it, and this hair is very well layered. I do want to add, as you guys can see, this hair is layered all the way through. And it's important when you have short hair for it to be layered, so I'm really happy that they did that for us, especially for people who don't know how to cut short hair.
Swisher blunts and I ain't never coming down. Bitch, you ain't no Barbie. I see you work at Arby's. Never too supersized. Hurry up, I'm starving. Gnarly, radical. On the block, I'm magical. See me at your college campus, baggy full of Adderall.
So the first part of the hair that I actually want to focus on is the back. The front side, I'm not really so concerned about because I can always do that once it's on my hair already. So I'm just going to take this clip and clip this side out of the way. So now I'm just taking my flat iron. This is an absolute heat flat iron, and I like this flat iron because the cord swivels, so you don't have to worry about it getting caught up when you're curling your hair or whatever. And it does get pretty hot. Right now I just have it preheating at 370 degrees, but obviously to reduce heat damage, you can put it to maybe 350, 330. And it doesn't take very long for this to get hot. So we are gonna make sure that we're curling our hair in sections or just maintaining it in different layers. So I'm gonna take the top part of the back area, as you guys can see, and I'm just going to clip this out of the way. Before we drift away,
Stroke it, baby, stroke it, baby. Work it, baby, work it, baby. Stroke it. There is something I want you to
So you guys, for the final area back here, I'm not exactly sure if I'm ready to flat iron it on here. I think I'm gonna do it once I have the unit on, but I did just straighten out like that front piece right there just to see like the kind of vibe we're going for. So this is what the inside looks like. It does have combs on the side, on both sides, and then it's one here, and then one, if I can flip the wig inside out, and then one here at the base. So this wig is a little bit big for me, and I do want to point that out. So I hope that it lays right, because I have a little head, and when you have short hair and your head is little but the wig is big, it's just gonna make you look like you got a big ass head. So hopefully it doesn't have that type of look. And I'm glad that it has a comb in the back of the wig, because Lord knows I'm gonna need this wig to stay nice and down in the back, sis. So I'm just adjusting the straps right now to as tight as I think I'm gonna need it, which is usually like crisscrossed in the back. But I'm just gonna go right past the hairpin with the comb. Okay, so there's our unit. Like I said, it's important to mold your hair beforehand, because you see how no matter what, like the part will stay right there. So I'm happy about that. Okay, you guys, so now that we have our hair pretty much mostly curled, we can go ahead and start applying the unit. Now, once again, I just want to reiterate, the reason why I curled the unit on the mannequin head first is just because I wanted to make sure that the back of my hair was properly curled instead of trying to guess and curl, because when you have short hair, you really want to make sure that your hair looks like the best it possibly can, sis. Like, your hair got to be slayed and laid when you got short hair. It's crazy though, because I mean a lot of you guys, if you guys are like some OGs from my channel, then you guys know that I actually used to wear short hair. I didn't even start wearing wigs until like 2017. So I mean, although it may seem like I just know what I'm doing and I just have it all figured out, I just started doing this stuff. Apparently I have bleach on the back of this brush, child. And I had short hair, a short haircut for years. Like, that used to be like my signature look. Everybody knew of me as being the little chocolate girl in the area with the short haircut. Because short haircuts are a lot of maintenance, but they're really cute. I miss getting my designs. I used to get designs in my hair. I used to get like designs in the back sometimes. Like, it was fun. But I will say that I'm happy to be back with my roots. I just want to know, I'm just interested in seeing how this wig is about to look. So are y'all ready? All right, let's go. Gonna put it on, sis. My eyelash is leaning. What's new? Okay. Oh, damn. I put it on the wrong side. I don't like my bang on this side. Whatever. We'll just have to make do with what it do. Okay, I'm kind of upset because I didn't want my bang to be on this side, but my wig fits snug, so that's the good thing. But I already freaking styled my hair. Oh my God. I should have freaking tried it on first and then did it, because I don't like my bangs on this side. I like my bangs going on this side. So is it too late to like switch my part? It's never too late. It just may be like a little weird gap right there, but oh my God, this looks stupid right now. Okay, let me just let me get my life together and just apply the wig, and then we'll worry about styling and all that nonsense later, okay?
Yeah, let me see you in a minute. But I got something to tell you. Listen. See, the thing about you that caught my eye is the same thing that makes me change my mind. Kinda hard to explain, but girl, I'll try. You need to sit down, this may take a while. See, this girl, she sorta looks just like you. just the way you do. So innocent she seemed, but I was fooled. I'm reminded when I look at you, but you remind me of a girl that I was with. See your face whenever I look at you. You won't believe she put me on. This is why I just can't get with you. Thought that she was the one for me, till I found out she was on her dream. Ooh, she was sexing everyone but me. This is why we could never be. No, 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 no. That I was see your face whenever I look at you. Won't believe all of the things she put me through. This is why I just can't get it. I know, yeah. It's so unfair. We got you out to separate the two. You This is why I just can't gotta let you go. You remind me of a wouldn't believe all the she put me through. This is why I just can't get you. Remind me of a girl that I once knew.
So I think I pretty much have my hairstyle just like how I want it. And you guys, it's so freaking cute! Don't you guys love my new short haircut? Hello. Complimentary of Eayon hair. They hooked your girl up with a pixie cut for the summertime. Because they already know girls want to be cute in the summer, and some girls do want to cut their hair, but they're too afraid to cut their hair. And sis, you don't have to cut your hair now. Now you can just get your hair braided in some straight backs. Hello sis, buy this wig, link down below. You're good to go. Okay, here's a close-up look at my edges, what it's looking like up here. I would actually go in and pluck this a little bit more, but for the time being, it is fine. And then I do kind of want this to come up. That's just me being a perfectionist, don't mind that. Eayon hair has been working with me for at least a year now, and I'm always open and welcome to working with companies that I have built a relationship with over the years. When I can trust and count on a company that is going to deliver, I am always here for it and welcome to working with them. So when they reached out to me a couple of months ago to do a review, I didn't even realize that I was reviewing a pixie cut. Honestly, I thought that I was just going to be reviewing a bob wig. But then when I opened the box, I was still surprised. Like, even in my calendar, I have Eayon wig bob. Like, it says bob. Like, I did not know that this was going to be a short haircut. And to be quite honest, I was kind of like about it, because I'm like, how is this gonna look, you know, on me? Like, how is a short haircut wig gonna look on me? Because I've never done that before. So I was kind of like on the fence about it. I really wasn't sure how it was gonna turn out, but sis, as you guys can see, it turned out so freaking cute. And the key to a cute short haircut is making sure that it is cut right and layered to perfection. And when I say this wig is so bomb, like, so if you guys are to purchase this wig, you don't even have to worry about cutting your hair at all. If you're somebody who has been wanting to try a short haircut, but you aren't really sure if you wanted to commit to it, this is the perfect wig to pick up. And it's super affordable. It's not so much of a huge risk if you are to purchase this wig. But yeah, I love the fact that it doesn't have flyaways. It lays so naturally. And you guys, if you guys did not notice, I didn't even put foundation on the lace, and honestly it was because I completely forgot to, but I didn't need to because this lace is transparent. And because as you guys can see, it's looking like it's coming like straight out of my scalp, like even my part. Like I didn't even put any foundation underneath. The only thing that I have underneath is my wig cap. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Shout out to me for having this short haircut again. I'm bringing it all the way back to like 2010. So yeah, it has been such a long time, and I'm so glad to have my short hair again. Like short hair just used to be my thing, you guys. Like, and here we are again. Ah, I'm so excited. I'm just gonna tell everybody that I got a short haircut on Instagram real quick. Go give me some food, take some cute pictures, and I will see all of you guys in my next one. Bye.